Children, let us continue the usage of simple present. Already we discussed some points. Simple present is used to express permanent actions, to express habitual actions, to express general truths or facts. Now, for media announcements or for newspaper headlines. Media announcements, I mean electronic media or print media, whatever it may be. Okay, whatever they announce, that is expressed in simple present tense. This is an announcement in media. Earthquake hits Nepal. Hits is in simple present. This is a media announcement. Okay. Kia Motors launches new car. This is a news item. This is a news item that may be called as newspaper headline. All the newspaper headlines, all the media announcements are expressed in a simple present. Launches. Kia Motors launches new car. This is a news item. Okay. Next one. Timetables are expressed in simple present. Timetables. Timetables are never changed. Okay. Whatever the timetable we fix, generally we don't change it. So we should use it simple present, in simple present. The first session, this is a timetable. One item is a timetable. The first session dash at 9 a.m. Begin. Simple present of begin is begin. But the first session subject pronoun is itself. So we should use as begins. That is in simple present. The train leave at midnight. This is also one item in a timetable. Timetable of train. Leave. Simple present of leave. Leave. Train. Subject pronoun is. So yes. These two are called some items in a timetable. Timetables are expressed in simple present. Now, fixed future actions. Fixed future plans. Whatever the plan which is fixed in advance, that may happen in the future. For example, the Prime Minister arrived the station at 6 a.m. He attended a meeting at 7 a.m. This is a fixed future plan. Of course, this is a future action, but it is fixed in advance, so it is expressed in a simple present. So, the Prime Minister arrives. Okay, Prime Minister subject pronoun is he. Next, he attends. Okay. This is called fixed future plan. Of course, it is a future plan. It is fixed in advance in a particular timetable. So, we use in simple present. Next one. To describe our feelings or senses. Whatever the feeling we want to express, that is to be expressed in a simple present. She feels or feels. She is third person singular, so we use feels. She feels hungry. Of course, you can say I feel hungry. I feel hungry. Next one. I. That is your feeling. I think. What is the B form in simple present? Is am are. She. I think she is good at music. That is your feeling. So, this kind of feeling or senses are expressed in a simple present. Okay? In this video, what we have discussed? Media announcements and newspaper headlines are expressed in simple present. Timetables are expressed in simple present. Fixed future plans are expressed in simple present. and whatever the feeling you have to express in a simple present.